Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our shop here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Starting off this Tundra compilation today with this 3rd generation Lunar Rock that we're installing a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC. Suspension setup on here with some OME rear lift springs and the Fox Billet Uniball upper control arms. We're setting this one up for about 3 inches of front lift and 1.5 inches in the back with the OME springs. Our shop 88 Rotors is located in sunny Southern California in the city of Baldwin Park. If you're looking to get some work done by us, reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. But if you're not local to us and still want to take advantage of our deals, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We have 2 warehouses on the block fully stocked with all the suspension, wheels, tires, and accessories that you desire. For the wheels and tires on this Tundra, we're going with the RRW RR7V flow-formed wheels in a matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. We're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5/17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros. The wheels are a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. We have this RRW RR7V wheel exclusively on our website. These come in multiple colorways. If you want to get $100 off of a set, make sure to use promo code YouTube. Go to 88rotorsoffroad.com and enter that at checkout. Next up, we have another Lunar Rock Tundra 4x4 with the TRD off-road package. We're taking out the factory BILSTEINs and upgrading them to the Old Man Emu 3-inch MT64 suspension with upper control arms. The OME MT64 kit has huge 2.8-inch aluminum bodies and tuned damping to ensure optimal performance across any terrain. The best part of this kit is that it gives you a 3-inch lift and has been voted as one of the most comfortable rides for the money. What more can you ask for? A kit that doesn't break the bank, rides good on road, and is still capable off-road so you can do some more adventuring. If you want to spend a little bit more money, jump on over to this setup right here. This is the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with compression adjusters. And swinging back over to the OME MT64 setup, this one is now complete. We're mounting up some new wheels and tires for one of these Tundras here. This right here is the RR7H hybrid wheel in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. Tire of choice here are the Toyo Open Country AT3s in a 35 12.5/17. For the King package, we're doing OME rear lift springs on it to gain about 1.5 inches of lift. The rear King 2.5 remote reservoir shocks have been installed with the compression adjusters. The front is paired up with some cambered Kinetic Series Uniball upper control arms. We first released the RR7V in a matte black face with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring, but some guys didn't want that gloss black, so we decided to make a full matte black wheel that you see right here. This one's a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset. Tire of choice is going to be the 35 12.5/17 Toyo Open Country RT Pro tires. The King suspension has been installed. We're now installing the wheels and tires onto the vehicle and shooting it in with a low torque impact gun. And once the vehicle is brought back down to the ground, we tighten all the lug nuts to spec with a torque wrench. With a simple lift, you can easily fit 35s on the new Tundras, but for the second generation Tundra, the previous generation, you have to do a body mount chop. We're fitting 35s on this one here with the BMC. For the suspension setup on this one, we went with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with DSC. Wheel of choice here are the Graham Lights 57 Trans-X in an 18x9 with a 0 offset in 5x150 in a bronze color that we're wrapping up in a 35 12.5 18 needle Trail Grappler MT. Next up, we have another magnetic gray metallic second generation Tundra that's doing the same Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series setup. We also paired this one up with the cambered tubular X-joint XL and some rear lift shackles. Our tech is seen here doing the body mount chop, creating the clearance needed for the new 35-inch tires. You guys asked for it, so we made it. The 5x150 RRW RR7V wheels. This right here is the matte black wheel with the gloss black simulated beadlock ring. RR7V is a wheel made exclusively for 88 rotors by RRW. If you guys like what you see here on our YouTube channel, you'd probably want to follow us on Instagram also. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road, where we post content daily. The 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros were used here. It's a great tire for on-road usage, yet it is still extremely capable off-road on many different terrains. Next, we have another silver second generation Tundra. This one received our iBox Stage 2R setup with Elevate upper control arms. This one's also rocking the new RRW RR7V. We've mounted and balanced a U set of 35 12.5 17s that the customer brought in. Next up, we have a BILSTEIN 6100 setup paired up with an Elevate chromoly ball joint front upper control arm. The rear received 5100 shocks with OME lift springs. We're doing a horn chop on this one so we can clear some 37 12.5 17 BF Goodrich KO2s. And that's pretty much going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. We're going to close it out with another Tundra that's in for a King suspension setup, cambered kinetic series in King blue colored. Billet uniball upper control arms, OME rear lift springs, and some wheels and tires. And until next time, take care, guys.